The Ministry of External Affairs on Friday summoned the Canadian High Commissioner and warned that comments such as those made by Prime Minister Justin Trudeau could have a seriously damaging impact on ties between India and Canada. In a strongly worded statement, the MEA stated that the Canadian envoy was informed that comments by the Canadian Prime Minister, some cabinet ministers and members of the parliaments on issues relating to Indian farmers constitute an unacceptable interference in our internal matters. Such actions, if continued, would have a seriously damaging impact on ties between India and Canada, the statement added. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that experts believe that the wait for COVID-19 vaccine will not be long and it may be ready in few weeks, asserting that vaccination drive in India will begin as soon as scientists give the nod. In his remarks in New Delhi at an all-party meeting held virtually, PM Modi said that healthcare workers involved in treating COVID-19 patients, frontline workers who include police personnel and municipal staff, and old people suffering from serious conditions would be inoculated on priority. Farmers protesting at Delhi-Ghazipur border against the three contentious agricultural laws have warned that they will amplify the protest by blocking more roads and choking supply of food product to the national capital if another round of discussion between them and the central government fails to yield results on Saturday. A plea, meanwhile, has been moved in the Supreme Court seeking immediate removal of protesting farmers from Delhi borders, alleging that they are blocking the roads to hamper emergency or medical services. In a jolt to BJP in Maharashtra, the party has won only the Dhule-Nandurbar local body seat in the biennial state legislative council polls, while the Mahavikas Aghadi has registered victory in the Aurangabad and Pune graduates constituencies. Results of three other seats are yet to be declared, but the MVA candidates are leading in two seats. Biennial elections to 6 legislative council seats, 3 graduates and 2 teachers as well as 1 local body seat were held on December 1. Reacting to the MVA's performance, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar on Friday said that the victory of the alliance candidates was a symbol of the unity amongst the alliance constituents. Ruling Telangana Rashtra Samiti continues to maintain the lead in most of the divisions of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, while the Bharatiya Janata Party and Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM fight it out for the second spot. The Saffron Party, which had won only 4 seats in 2016 polls, fought the poll this time with all the might at its disposal as top central leadership and union ministers campaign for its candidates in the civic body polls. According to latest trends, the TRS was leading in about 50 seats and BJP was leading in 40 seats. The State Election Commissioner also said that Congress has bagged 1 ward, whereas AIMIM was leading in another 25 seats.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.